Hello dear students, my name is Alla. I am math teacher in Kosher School. Today we start chapter 7. We will learn how to tell time. We will use a clock, learn about AM and PM estimate time and how many days in a week. I have my math word, a clock, before noon AM, afternoon PM, the week, centimeter, meter, heavier and lighter. Vocabulary list: hour, before noon, afternoon, the week, centimeter, meter. Write the clock. Actually, we have 3 hands in a clock, but for grade 2, we just learned 2 hands. The small one and the bigger one. The small one is an hour hand. The bigger one is a minute hand. For example, when the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 12, that's mean what time is it? It is 7 o'clock. And when the hour hand is between 7 and 8 and the minute hand is at 3, that's mean what time is it? 7:15. The hour hand is between 7 and 8 and the minute hand is at 6. Yes, that's mean what time is it? It's 7:30. And I have 3 questions. Yes. The hour hand, for the first one, the hour hand is between what? It's between, look at here, it's between 4 and 5. And the minute hand is at what? Is at 3. That's mean, which one is the correct answer? 4:15 or 4:15? Of course, it's 4:15. Okay. The hour hand is between what? It's between 10 and 11. And the minute hand is at what? Is at 6. That's mean, what time is it? It is it's between 10 and 11. And the minute hand is at 6. That's mean it is 10:30. Question number 3. The hour hand is at what? Directly is at 5. And the minute hand is at 12. That's mean, what time is it? It is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Okay. Here. Now, I circle the correct time. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock? It's 8 o'clock. Question number 2. What time is it? 2:30 or 3:30? Which one is true? Of course, 2:30. Because the hour hand is between 2 and 3, not between 3 and 4. What time is it? Question number 3. 11:30 or 11:15? It is it's 11:30 because the minute hand is at 6. I think we have a problem with this marker. Okay. Question number 4. 9:15 or 10:15? Which one is true? It's 9:15 because the hour hand is between 9 and 10. 9:15. Question number 5. 8:30 or 8:15? Which one is true? 8:30 or 8:15? Because the minute hand is at 3. That means it's 8:15. What time is it? 10 o'clock or 12 o'clock? Of course, it's 10 o'clock because the hour hand directly is at 10. Listen to daily event. Time from midnight till noon is AM. Time from noon till midnight, it's PM. When your mom said, Regine, wake up, you should go to school, what time is it? It is 7 o'clock. It's AM or PM? It's AM. When you eat breakfast, what time is it? It's 7:30. It's AM or PM? Of course, AM. Leave school. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's AM or PM? We said when you come to school, it's AM. When you leave school, it's PM. Go to bed. What time is it? It's 8:15. 8:15. And it's PM. Okay. How many days in a week? We have 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. How many months in 1 year? 1 year. We have 12 months in 1 year. 1 year, yes. What is the day that comes after, what is the day that comes after Saturday? After Saturday is Sunday. What is the day that comes before Wednesday? Before Wednesday, Tuesday. How many days are between Sunday and Thursday? Look at here. Look, between Sunday and Thursday. Counting with me. 1, 2, 3. That means we have 3 days between Sunday and Thursday. 3 days. Complete, write the days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We have 7 days in 1 week and 12 months in 1 year. Estimate time. How many time you need to do your homework? Maybe someone of you say, teacher, I need just 1 hour. Maybe the other one say, teacher, I need 2 hours to do my homework. Okay. To wash a car, how many time you need? 1 hour or 1 week? Of course, to wash a car, 1 hour. To build a house, how many days you need? 8 days or 8 weeks? We need just 8 days. To brush your teeth, how many time you need? Less than quarter hour or 4 hours? We have 2 options. Okay, less than quarter hour or 4 hours, it's less than quarter hour. To have a lunch, how many time you need? Half hour or 1 week? I just need half hour. It's 8 days. It's 8 days. We have centimeter and meter. To measure small things, we use it centimeter. Look. To measure long things, we use it measure. And this is all about chapter 7. Now we start at chapter 8. We will read, write, compare and order numbers to 999. My math words are ones, tens, hundred, greater than, less than and equal to. For example, I show how many hundred, tens and ones, then I write the number. How many hundreds I have? 100, 200, 300. I write 3 and 300. How many tens I have? Look at here. I don't have any tens. That means in the place value of tens, I write 0. Okay. How many tens? Sorry. How many ones I have? Counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means the number is 305. Okay. Question number 2. How many hundred I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the hundred place value, I write 5. How many tens I have? Look, tens. 1, 2, 3. And don't forget for this one is tens. One of them is 10 ones. 1 tens equal 10 ones. How many ones I have? I don't have any ones. Then I write 0. The number is 530. 530. Question number 3. How many hundred I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens I have? Look, tens is like this. How many tens I have? 0. In the tens place value, I write 0. How many ones I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number is 406. I write the number that are 100 less and 100 more. You can use it subtraction and addition to find the numbers. I have the numbers 674, 838, 206 and 154. When I say question number 1, 674, when I say 100 less, look, because I say 100 less, just 100 place value will be changed. 674 gonna be 574. When I say 100 more, again, just 100 place value will be changed. 6 is gonna be 7 and I write tens and ones. 774. 838. When I say 100 less, that's mean it's gonna be 7. 738. 100 more, 938. Okay, 206. 106. 306. 154, look, 54 because 1 gonna be 0. 100 more, 254. Order numbers. I write greater than, less than, or equal to. Then I write the symbol of greater than, less than, or equal. For example, I have 239 is what? It's less than or greater than 293. Of course, it's less than 293. Okay, 399 and I have 299. 399 is greater than 299 or less than 299. At the first, look at the hundred place value. And here we have 3. For the other one, I have 2. Which one is greater? Of course, 3. That means 399 is greater than 299. Is greater than. Greater than. Okay. I write the number that is just before, between, or just after. Before 825. 825. It is 824. Before 300, I have what? Which number is before 300? It is 299. Okay, now I have between. Between 519 and 521, it is 520. Between 699 and 701, I have 700. Okay, now I have after 234, it is 235. After 969 is 970. Okay. Now I have order number. You can use number line to find the order numbers. Okay. Order number from least to greatest. Okay. I have 427, 422, 435, 431. Which one is the least one? Choose. It's 422. Okay. 422. Now I have just 3 numbers. 427, 435, 431. Look at the 100 place value. I have 4, 4, 4. The 3 numbers, the place value of 100 of 3 numbers are equal. Now I'm gonna to 10's place value. Now I have 2 for here. I have 3 for the other one, also 3. Then I choose the least one. That's mean 427. Now I have just 2 numbers, 435 and 431. We say the place value of 100 and tens is equal for 2 numbers. Now I look at the ones place value. For here it's 5, for here it's 1. Which one is the least one? Of course 1, it's less than 5. Then I choose 431 because it's less than 5. Then the last one, 435. For here, 420, 425, 422, 432. All the numbers, the place value of all the numbers is 400 place value. The tens for each number, look, here it's 2, again 2, this one is also 2, then I have 3. That means the bigger one. Leave now, leave this number now. I have 2, 2, 2. Then I go to ones, 0, 5, 2. Which one is the least one? Of course 0, 520. After 0, 2, 522. Sorry, 422. Then I have 425. 425. The last one is 432. 432. Because the tens value of this number is 3. For the others are 2. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.